Hello everyone, my name is Rob from Eatance Directory. I welcome you all to Eatance Directory application backend demo. Let's try to understand from the Eatance Directory backend section by going ahead using the master admin login details. Once you log in into the backend administration section, you will be able to view the dashboard of your complete profile and backend application. Here you can see the activities going on in your front and backend applications. As you can see, the site navigation bars gives you all the section listing which you can play around with. As the master admin, you can always view the complete store listing has been done, but the total categories has been listed. Here are the top or latest 5 stores which have been added in your applications. As a master admin, you can always control your profile from My Profile section and log out. If your application is available in multilingual, you will always have the button to click and change the application to the other language. Let's get started to understand more about our online directory application, starting with the user section. When you click on Many Users, you will be able to explore a complete list of your customers who have been registered and using the front-end mobile applications. As a master admin, you can always control your users. You can update their contact details. You can always inactive the users with a button. You can always add a user. Let's try to understand what are the fields available in Add or Edit sections. By creating a user, you will be having the same fields where you can update their first name, last name, phone number, email, and their images and the password you can set. You can always create any particular user and share with your customers to explore further in the front-end application using the same details. In the Manage Stores section, we have provided you a complete list of the stores listed within the applications. You can view all store details, and as a master admin, you can control the listing, or you can edit any particular store listing you wish to, or toggle on and off of particular listing. By clicking on Add or Edit button, you will be able to explore the fields which are available for the store listing as a view purpose. The customer is going to see the same display details which is going to enter in the stores. For an example, you will have all the details as store name, phone number, email, and which category it belongs to. So the customer will view a particular category section of this listing. An image, the address, and all the other details related to the listing. You can update the address directly from Google Maps, so you don't need to worry about the accurate address, and whenever you type any particular address, it's going to take directly from the Google Maps API and autofill all the other details. You can edit those details as and when required. In the About section, you can give a brief about the listing. In the Features, when you click on the Features section, you can update the listing of the stores and update it within the category section and the listing in the front-end application, so the users do not need to go in the category section and view the listing. Most importantly, you can update the insurance and payment option for the section as a featured listing. You can always enable the store listing hours, their open and close hours. You can update the Monday timing, so you don't have to do all of them days, and you can assign it. Click on the box which says Assign Monday timing for all days. You can choose the option for the close days for the listing. For the Add particular store listing, you will have the similar fields. However, you have to just select the category section which the store listing belongs to. So the customer will be able to view the store listing on all that particular categories or any particular categories you wish to view. Listing of the categories is very important as because of this listing, the store will enable as per the categories they are joined to. You can always view all the complete listing in the listing categories. You can toggle on and off of these categories. You can add, edit, or deactivate any particular categories you wish. If you try to add new categories, you can create categories in two different types, the parent categories and subcategories. To create the parent categories, you don't have to select anything, you just have to label the category name and you can upload the image and submit the details. But to create subcategory, you have to select the parent category where it belongs to and give a particular name on the category section. Further, as a master admin, you can always view the ratings and reviews given to all particular listing which has been added for your customer to view. As you can see, you can active or you can view all the complete details or delete any particular reviews which has been provided by your customers in front-end application. In the CMS section, we have provided a content management pages which you can add, edit, and you can update the pages which is already there. By clicking on edit button, you can update the title, the content, the icon for that particular page. Please note, this images and the content type which you are adding, by submitting it, it will be real-time effect implementation in the front-end applications. System option is a setting part for the application where you will be able to view the complete details which you want to be visible for your customers. For example, site title, the email they're going to receive as a title deed and which email address they have. Similarly, in email templates, you will have all the templates which has been registered as a system register templates. You can update the content by clicking on edit button, or even you can add new templates you wish to. By creating a template, you have to mention the title, the subject, and body tag directly from here, and you can update the template and save it for your future reference. If you have any particular template in HTML file, you can click on source and paste the HTML type over here, and you can have this template converted in your saved listing. This all we have for Eatance Directory application backend demo. I hope you enjoyed the demo. If you have any further questions or queries, you can contact us at any particular time or reach us at info@eatanceapp.com. Thank you for your time. Hello everyone, my name is Rob from Eatance product team. I welcome you all to Eatance Directory customer application demo. We're going to explore further about our Eatance customer application where they can use this customer app to explore further about the nearby store listing, and they can connect further about the store which they are requiring for their assistance. Please do note, Eatance do provide all of customization, branding, setup, and installation services. In branding, we're going to change the entire branding of the application, skin color, code as per your company brand. Let's explore further about the Eatance Directory customer applications. We have provided our customer to sign in, skip, and sign up option. They can click on sign up option and fill the fields which is required as mandatory for first name, email, and password. By clicking a checkbox of the privacy policy, they can further say that you can use the data for marketing purpose. You can always view the details of the privacy by clicking on the link, which can be easily updated from the backend section under the master admin. Most importantly, as a customer can always click on sign in options by using their email and password. They can always keep those details and they can explore further about the application by using the skip button. Let's try login from our demo account details. Please do note our demo details are available for you to explore further our customer application and Eatance. Download the customer application from the screen side. Let's go ahead and log in to our Eatance customer application. While login, the customer has to first select the categories they are looking for nearby listing. Most importantly, they need to enable their GPS so they can view the nearby listing as per the categories, or they can directly look for the store by clicking on search bar. On the navigation bar, we have provided the customers their profile, their login details by clicking on the total as a My Profile name, and they can edit their profile, or if they have a multilingual functionality, they can click on any other language to convert the application to that particular language. In the navigation bar, we have also provided our customers to view the details such as setting parts, the walkthrough about the applications where we have presented over content to understand about the applications, what all the things they're going to do in the application part. The customer can also explore the setting part for the applications. They can rate your application, they can share your application, they can view the pages, static pages which is about us, contact us, and privacy policy in the navigation bar. Please do note, all these contents are easily manageable from our backend section. Now let's further explore about the listing. By clicking on any particular categories, you will be able to view all the listing which is available in nearby area. The listing can be sorted by the rating as well, or by ascending or alphabetical manner. By clicking any of the listing or view of the complete list, you can scroll down. By clicking any particular listing, you will further able to explore the details about the listing, where you will able to view the image, the banner image, the listing name, their address, landmark, the distance, how far you are from the location of the store listing, and you can click on the icon of the map to further explore the route for the listing. You can always view the number or click on the contact options and call the particular store listing. You can connect via the email as well. You can explore further about the details what the listing has been recommended to and their insurance or payment options. As in customers, you can always view the ratings were provided by all of the customers or any of the users, the opening and close hours, availability of the hours for the operation, and the reviews the customer has been provided for that particular listing. Please do note, all the listings what you have been looking can be easily managed from the backend for the further enhancement of the applications and for the better user profile details. You can always customize this app as per your requirement and add those sections as you require for your model. I hope you enjoyed the customer application demo. If you have any questions or queries, you can connect with us at info@eatanceapp.com. Thank you for all your time. You have a blessed day.